Micrometers. There are two types of micrometers. The one contains 100 divisions on the circular scale. The other one contains 50 divisions on the circular scale. But least count will be same. That is 0.001 centimeter. How to find out the least count? First, let us take the micrometer which has 100 divisions on the circular scale. What is pitch? Pitch is the distance covered. Pitch is the distance covered by the screw when one complete rotation is given. Okay, so that is in 100 circular divisions, it is 1 millimeter divided by total number of divisions on the circular scale is 100. Therefore, it is 0.01 mm. But here is a micrometer. On this circular scale, there are 50 divisions. How to find out the least count of this one? The same. That is, least count is equal to pitch divided by total number of divisions. Here, total number of divisions 50. But what is pitch? Pitch remains same. How to calculate? Pitch is equal to distance covered divided by number of rotations. This is the circular scale which has 100 divisions. This is the circular scale which has 50 divisions. Here, distance traveled will be 1 millimeter when 2 rotations are completed. When 2 rotations are completed, one rotation means from 0 to 50, again another rotation, likewise. When 2 rotations, 0 to 50, one rotation, again 0 to 50, another rotation. If 2 rotations are completed, so the distance travelled along the linear scale will be 1 millimeter. So 1 millimeter divided by 50. Sorry, not 50. Number of rotations 2. So what we get is pitch is equal to 0.5 mm. And least count is equal to pitch divided by total number of divisions on the circular scale, 50. This is equal to 0.01 mm. Okay, you multiply here by 10, here by 10, then 5 by 500 will be equal to 0.01 millimeter. Or you can write in centimeter as 0.001 centimeter. This is how we find the least count of micrometer, the screw gauge. Fine. Now how to measure that small length using screw gauge? As I have told you that there are 2 scales. One is a circular scale, the other one is the linear scale, the main scale, the circular scale. Here, there may be 50 divisions or there may be 100 divisions. Least count is same. Procedure is same. Right? Yes. Here is a screw case which has zero error. Zero of the reference line. This is called reference line, or the zero of linear scale. This reference line of the linear scale coincide with the zero of the circular scale. The reference line coincide with the zero of the circular scale, then this instrument is free from error. Now look here. The zero of the circular scale lies below the reference line. What is that reference line? The linear scale. If zero of the circular scale lies below the reference line, such an error is called positive error, and the positive error should be subtracted from the measured value to get the actual value. Look here, the zero of the circular scale lies above the reference line, and that screw gauge, that micrometer, it contains negative error, and the negative error should always be added to the measured value. Fine. Then coming to this point, okay, here coming to this point, there is one more diagram here. By referring this, we can find out. Here, in this diagram, this micrometer is free from error because zero of the reference line coincides with the zero of the circular scale, therefore no error. This instrument is used to measure a small length where it is calculated the total reading is equal to the main scale reading or the linear scale reading plus the circular scale reading into least count. The linear scale, here is the linear scale. The linear scale is 2 mm. 2 mm. It is moved. The distance is moved along a line, along a straight line. This is called linear scale. This is, here it is 0, 1, 2. So 2 mm. Right. Plus the circular scale reading. The circular scale reading here, the 25th division. The 25th division of circular scale coincided with the reference line. Therefore, circular reading is 25. 25th division of circular scale coincided with the reference line. Therefore, the coincide circular division, the circular reading is 25. Circular scale reading is 25. Into its least count. Its least count is 0.01 mm. So this is equal to 2 plus this will be 0.25, which will be equal to 2.25 mm. It may be the diameter of some object. Okay. Since this micrometer is free from error, here there is no subtraction or addition of error. Now let us go to the error here. This error Let us find out whether this instrument contains the negative error or the positive error. Look here. The zero of the circular scale lies below the reference line. Zero of the circular scale lies below the reference line. Therefore, this contains positive error. Here, zero of the circular scale lies above the reference line. This contains negative error. This is positive error. This is negative error. This positive error should be subtracted from the measured value. How to find out this positive error? Error is equal to the number of coincide circular divisions. Here 5, 6, the seventh circular scale reading coincide with the reference line into the least count, that is 0.01 mm. So this will be equal to 0.07 mm. This value should be subtracted. Look here, the reading. In that micrometer, when the object is inserted, then there is a linear scale reading. There is a circular scale reading. What is the linear scale reading? 1 millimeter, 2 millimeter. So, total reading is equal to linear scale reading plus circular scale reading into this count. The linear scale reading is 2 mm plus circular scale reading, that is 32. 32nd division is coincide with the reference line into its least count, that is 0.01. So this becomes 2 plus 0.32, which is equal to 2.32 mm. But this contains positive error. That error should be subtracted. How much error it contains? It contains this much error. This number should be subtracted here to get the corrected value. The corrected value becomes is equal to 2.32 minus the error 0.07. 12 minus 7, 5. 12 minus 7, 5. Then 3 minus 1, 2. Then 2 minus 0. So it is 2.25 like that. Suppose if this micrometer is used to measure smaller length, this micrometer is used to measure smaller length. This micrometer contains negative error because zero of the circular scale lies below the reference line. So this value should be added to the measured value to get the actual value. Okay. First, let us find out error. Error is equal to, what is the error here? That is number of the coincide circular divisions into its least count. Here, the reference line lies above, the zero of the circular scale lies above the reference line.